everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day for me because we're celebrating my first PR package from Maybelline. So this is what it's giving. It is the Blurring Nudes lipsticks. They have 12-hour long wear. They are transfer proof and they have a lightweight feel. Right now I'm wearing 10, which is a faux freckle. A really cute. This is like a orangish shade. They're really cute. They come in 10 different shades and they are all perfectly nude. We have a more red tone, and then we have this nice little pink berry tone, and then we have some soft pinks. This will be really good paired with a nice cool tone brown lip liner. Then we have like a nice peachy tone, and we have some mauvey pinks and like a nice plum, then a soft plum, a brownie, and then a light brown, and this one that I'm wearing, this like orangey, almost coral burnt shade. These are really cute. Shout out to Maybelline. Thank you guys for sending me these products. I'm just gonna do a quick little try on of the shades. These are the swatches here of the 5 shades. Really cute, really cute. I think this one is going to be my favorite, and I'm wearing this one today. So I'm currently getting ready to go to an event at Sephora. They're having a launch of a new NARS product, so I'm gonna go to Sephora. I'm gonna check it out while I'm all cute and stuff. I'm gonna take a picture. We'll take some pictures in my cute little outfit. I chose this orange shade here. I chose this orange shade today for the lips, and this golden shade with the little orange accents on the, let's see if I can turn it down a little bit. With the little orange accents on the eyes. Can't really tell, but I'll add a video of my makeup close up and better lighting. But I added the orange lips because I was inspired today. My outfit inspo today was from a jalapeno popper. So I was like, what am I going to wear today? What am I going to wear today? Did not know what I was going to wear. But I said, you know what? Jalapeno popper. That's how I'm feeling. This is the fit for today's event. So y'all, I realized I didn't even finish recording the video the other day to let y'all know how I like the new Maybelline Teddy Tint lipsticks. So I did have a lot going on that day. I did go to the Sephora event. I did go downtown, shoot some content of some pictures and a couple little videos. And I had to go back to the shop, do makeup, and then came home. And after all of that, I was tired. But guess what? That lipstick stayed on all day. And it was easy to clean off at night, which I like because I don't like when I get a liquid lipstick that says it's long wear. And it's so hard to get off. It's like I'm scrubbing my lips. That one was really easy to get off with micellar water. I'm wearing Soft Era from the Superstay Teddy Tint. They are 100% 12-hour, 18-hour, 24-hour, 55-hour. I could probably keep this on for about 3 days. No lie. So shout out to Maybelline. Y'all did y'all big one with that. And I really appreciate, stop it. And I really appreciate y'all sending me the PR gift. I have no complaints about the lipstick, honestly, because it just really long wear. It was nice full coverage. The color range was beautifully nude, and I would definitely recommend this product if you like a lipstick that is going to stay on all day without making your lips feel super, super dry. That is the perfect lipstick for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. I am going to be doing a Sephora haul. Not really a haul, but I'm going to try out some new products that I got and let y'all know how I feel, because I'm wearing the foundation that I bought from Sephora right now. And I want to say I am fucking with it. Yes, I really like this foundation. And I got some bronzer from Sephora when I went to the event for NARS. And I'm going to let y'all know how I like the bronzer. It's really cute. It's really nice. They came out with some new bronzer shades. So I'm going to let y'all know how I like it. Oh, and I got a perfume I'm going to show y'all in the next video. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, you want to see more, don't forget to hit subscribe, comment, like, share it with a friend who needs to see this video. Until next time, peace out, sister.